Hello everyone, welcome to the Blessed Take. On this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to register on data mining. Alright, so if you're from other country, you select your country. And before I go on this video, if it's your first time watch my video, subscribe and turn on the notification button and wait for more informations. Alright, so if you're in Nigeria, you put in your phone number. But people are making a lot of mistake because they're using zero, because they're adding zero to their phone number. But once you do not add zero, you'll be able to register successfully if you're in Nigeria. Alright. So, but I don't know of other country because I'm not from other country, because you can try it and see if it works for you. Alright. So you putting this zero now, if you're in Nigeria, it will not work for you. Everything will just load and to not even work. So if you just put in your 9 or 8. Alright, now it will ask you for referral code. You paste my referral code there, then you select your own nickname. You can write any nickname you want to be, anything that you want to be, then to load. Then it will ask you to direct you to DSM verification. This is where you get it right now. Don't select WhatsApp, because WhatsApp, you're not active on WhatsApp. You just find the number. Okay, let me choose the first one, which one is MTN. I can choose the first one or second one and the third one, but I think the MTNs work faster. Okay, let me choose the option that I want. So you can see, select the number, then you click on next. See the views, or you click on next. But some of the same thing, can select like two numbers so that you can able to get, if one does not work and that one will work for you. There's a code that will be given to you for you to send to this particular number. Alright, there's a code, but make sure you have small little airtime on your phone. Alright, before you're able to do this particular one. I mean little airtime, okay. Then data in like, okay, it's not even like 14 naira or 10 naira, something like that. So this is the code, this is the verification string. You copy this particular string, or you make use of this icon that shows this Telegram icon in form of arrow. So you have 6 minutes to complete this particular verifications. So if it does not work for you, try it again. Let's copy the code and send the SMS. You can scan it, you can do anything you want to do with it, but I think this arrow that is even faster, because once you click on it, it will direct you to your message direct. It will not take you to anything like your WhatsApp or anything, but it will take you to your messenger. So once it will ask you to launch your SMS program, you launch it, then you paste the code there. You can see I've done many. Let me paste. Then you select the network. That's the same phone number. The same phone number you used to register, the same phone number that you used to send SMS. Be aware of that. Okay. The same phone number you used to register, the same phone number you use for an SMS. So you get your verifications. Then they'll deduct a little thing for your account. Then after you send the verifications, you confirm. Then you're waiting for confirmation of SMS. At times it may not load because people are not active, then successful. So this is it will be loading for you. Now as you can see, successfully. Then you click on this icon here, this particular spot, tap on to mine data coin. So every 24 hours, you'll be coming to the site to going to the app to mine. You can see we still have just little followers for now, but with time, everything will grown up. As you can see wallet address there. They have address, but it has not yet been officially imputed. I don't know. The user distributions, we have 8,254,000 people. Then the mining point should be 10 between 4 hours, something like that. Then it's an icon for your invites, as you can see over there. They have a that app and menu. Alright, so this is how to register on the mining phase. Please do like subscribe to this channel if you have not done that before. Alright, for more information regarding the data coin mining. Alright, then for you to get more points for security cycles, there are ways to get security cycle points. Alright, because a lot of people are not getting a lot of these things. So we go to your profile area, then you see security cycle. Alright, you enter the person that referred you, the UID, or you add manually to the platform. Then you add the person